Good morning, everybody, here from Okies, Eden. This is my potato bag growing 2.0. If you remember, Okies, Eden started in my spare room in the back with potato bag growing. So this is the second iteration of that with improvements. So let's get busy. Let's get these in the ground. So what I have here is my 2 bags that I'm going to start. I'm going to take 2 of the potatoes that have sprouted. These are russets. I already have about 3 or 4 inches of dirt inside these bags. So I'm just going to poke these down in the dirt a little bit. The dirt I'm using is my compost and some potting soil I had left over. And it does have some old straw, eggshells, and all that kind of stuff mixed in. Now that I have them set, I am going to cover the plant, the potato, the seed potato, with dirt. This is my compost. Now what's going to happen is I have covered them. As you can see, they're covered with dirt. In a couple of days, those sprouts will reappear. They'll start pushing out of the dirt. At that point, I will bring the dirt to this level and do what they call hilling the potato. So I will do a second covering of dirt on both of these, and then that is it. These are going to sit in the back window, and then I'll use grow lights on these when it doesn't have full sun. And then in about 100 and 120 days from today, which is June 20th, these will be ready to harvest. Important note when planting potatoes, the reason I'm hilling these and putting more dirt on them is there's a difference in potato varieties. There's determinate and indeterminate. A Yukon Gold would be an example of a determinate, which they grow more horizontally. So you dig down 6 inches, you plant them, you cover them with a little hill of dirt, and that's pretty much it. The tubers will shoot out and they will propagate the other potatoes in that region, in that area. Russets are what they call indeterminate. Their shoots, they go out and up. So you want to get some good soil under them for the nutrition, and the roots will grow out. And then as the tubers come up, they're going to continue to shoot up and out. And that's how they grow. So it's determinate versus indeterminate, which is why I cover them first, let the sprouts reappear. So the plant comes out a couple inches, then I'll recover it because they're indeterminates. And then I won't touch them again. All I'll do is water them and give them full light. And in a minute, I'm going to take you in the back and I'll show you the final resting place until they are harvested. And just like that, everybody, there they are. 1 russet in each potato bag, planted today, 6/20. So in about 100, 120 days, we can harvest them. Today, the same day, I have 7 more that I'm going to plant outside in the dirt. And then we can run a test as to indoor or outdoor, which will give me the best yield. So stay tuned for that because we will do a video on that. You all have a great day.